Hello, this video will show you how to disassemble and assemble the MT Tumbler 200. It's very easy and quick. You will not need any tools. Before doing anything, it is very important to switch the machine off and disconnect it from the power supply. Let's start. First, take off the leaf collector bag. To do that, loosen the elastic band at the suction inlet. Slide the straps along the arms until you can fully remove the bag, and swing the arms to the closed position. Lift them upwards and rotate them both inwards by 90 degrees. Second, remove the polycarbonate cover by simply pulling the handle and sliding the cover out of the anchoring slots. Now, remove the hopper. The hopper is held by 2 anchoring pins on the top and 2 magnets. Release the hopper at the bottom and pull it upwards. Next, open the electrical assembly by pulling out the 2 positioners and rotating them 90 degrees. Tilt the electrical assembly and remove the barrel. Then, disengage the electrical assembly by tilting it forward and removing it from the studs. In order to remove the blade assembly, pull the 2 positioners, one on each side, and rotate them 90 degrees. Always hold the blade assembly by the ribbed section. Remove the suction sealing belt. Now you can separate the trimmer from the leaf collector. Keeping hold of the trimmer, put it down on a flat surface. Remove the lower cover. To do this, turn the trimmer upside down. Pull out the 2 positioners on the lower cover, one on each side, rotate them 90 degrees, and pull the cover off. The MT Tumbler 200 is now fully disassembled. Let's get it up and running again. Return the lower cover to the trimmer and fix it with the 2 positioners. Return the trimmer to the top of the leaf collector. Use the guides to make sure it is fitted properly. Place the sealing belt back on the suction tube. Once the belt is in place, add the blade assembly. There are 2 grooves into which the blade assembly slides to fit properly. Insert it and fix it by rotating the positioners by 90 degrees. Check that the blade assembly is firmly fixed, holding it by the ribbed section. When the blade is in place, return the electrical assembly. Make sure it tilts properly in the studs. Then return the barrel. Slot it into its guides. Make sure that it is properly engaged with the supporting wheels of the trimmer. Close the machine, ensuring that the indicators are properly aligned. If they aren't, tilt the trimmer and rotate the pinion to make sure that the transmission mechanism engages. Close and lock the trimmer in place. Now return the hopper. Insert the top anchoring pins into the fixing holes. Then return the polycarbonate cover. Attach the cover by sliding it along the slots and lower it. Finally, open the leaf collector arms by lifting them upwards and rotating them by 90 degrees. Return the bag by sliding the tapes over the arms. Fit the bag in place by tightening the elastic band at the suction inlet. Before starting up the tumbler, make sure that everything is properly in position by rotating the barrel by hand. Connect the machine to the power supply. The MT Tumbler 200 is now ready for action.